Hey, how y'all doing? I got something a little different today. I'm gonna have an untubing video. Everybody does an unboxing video. Well, I don't have a box, I got a tube, so I'll do a video on that. David West sent this to me. I don't really know where to start. David is the reason why I've been making videos. It's something that I'd kind of thought about for a while, but I never really did it too seriously. Never really did it at all. I had like 3 videos up on YouTube of my sons shooting guns. One of them kind of dozing off. And anyways, I've been watching David's channel for, I want to say, about 3 years. I'm not positive on that, but it's been a good while. And on one of his videos, he'd made a box trap and was talking about how the raccoons could pick up the door on it. And I told him an easy way to fix that. And so the next video he made, he took my suggestion and did what he fixed the door like I had told him. And in that video, he had told people to subscribe to my channel. Well, I had like 3 videos up, and I didn't want to be a disappointment, so I decided to start making YouTube videos. And one of my videos, I'd made some deer jerky, and he commented that he had never ate jerky before. So I felt sorry for him, told him to send me his address, and I sent him some jerky. David, he makes fire. I mean, I would mostly primitive fire. I don't know. I would say more unconventional fire. If you ever want to know how to start a fire without using a lighter or matches, then you watch his channel. He has many different ways of making fire. So anyways, I've never made a hand drill ember before, and I've been talking back and forth with David about it, and I actually sent him a little set that I had made, and I had no luck with it, and turns out he couldn't get an ember out of that fireboard I sent him either. It was, I believe it was a piece of elm. I'm not real sure, because it was, it was an old, dead, degraded tree, and pretty soft piece of wood. It didn't, it was just the bark on it, so I wasn't real sure what type of wood it was. So anyways, David felt sorry for me and sent me a hand drill set. It's supposed to be a couple spindles in here and a fire. It's supposed to be 5 poplar fireboards. And poplar, that's a tree that we don't have here. So I'm gonna try that out. I guess that's enough rambling. Let me get to it. Man, look at the mosquitoes. They're awful. I guess this would be the dog fennel. I don't know, that don't look like any dog fennel I've ever seen. I know we have dog fennel around here, but the bark, if you will, it doesn't look anything like that. It's pretty cool. This would be a horseweed spindle. I know we have horseweed around here. It's just right now everything's just starting to sprout up out of the ground right now. Everything's still green and just really small. But I'm gonna try to collect me some of my own horseweed around here. This is Awesome. That looks like it. Yep, that's it. Let's see, where do I start? He had made a video where he tested the dog fennel and, well, the big end on this dog fennel, and he tested both ends of that horseweed. Cool. I guess I have to see if I can get a burn in. I guess I could try it on the same board, huh? I already see a little bit of smoke. That's amazing how the right materials make such a difference. Well, I just saw a little bit of smoke in that second pass, and I don't see any more, so I don't know. There we go, a little more smoke coming heavier now. Alright, put a notch in it. Oh no. I think I went too wide on that notch. Let me try it. Oh. That's something to hold that down. There we go. A lot of brown dust. I just got a lot of brown dust. What's that mean? Am I pushing down too hard? Let me have another go at it. And I know I was in a terrible position trying to hold it with my leg. That was pretty goofy. But let me get things set up again and give it another go. Alright, I got everything set up again. I believe I'm in a lot better position than I was a while ago. I got me some pine straw for a bird nest, and let's see what we can do. And a bunch of brown dust. I don't see any black dust yet. I don't know, all I got is brown dust, and I'm not getting an ember, so I have no idea what I'm doing wrong. I wouldn't want to say it's humidity because I just took them out of the box or out of the tube. Well, let me flip the board around and try it again. Alright, I had to move and get out of the sun. I tried that dog fennel, and I couldn't get a burn in with that dog fennel. I don't know what's going on with that. And I tried using the bigger end of the horseweed, and I couldn't get a burn in. I've been wearing myself out. I think I finally got a good burn in though. So the small end of that horseweed. So let's see if I can get anything with it. More brown dust. I don't really think I'm pushing too hard, but it's sure putting the dust out, but I don't see any black dust. Yeah, it's a lot of brown. I don't see any black dust again. Well, I think I'm going to call it quits for today because my hands and my upper body, I don't think I can take anymore. I'll give it another try tomorrow. And let me know what I'm doing wrong, David. And thank you. trying to put less pressure on it this time. Maybe that's the reason why I was getting so much brown dust. But this looks like a lot of brown dust also. We'll see what we can do, I guess. I am wore out. I don't know, is it going to keep smoking? Oh. All right. It's still smoking. I think I got my first hand drill ember. Oh. All right. Now, the hard part's going to be putting in my my bird nest with shaky hands and arms. I got an asp crawling on my clamp there. Y'all see that? Oh, mercy. My first hand drill ember. Let me see if I can get this. Hopefully I can get it. Please don't fall apart. Oh, that's awesome. My first hand drill fire. Thank you, David West. Y'all click on that link in the description and go check out David's channel. I'm gonna go in and have me a big glass of iced tea and rest for a little while. Thank y'all for watching.